Ano ang pinaka-challenging thing being a Filipino startup founder?
Well, of course, as a Filipino startup founder, ang dami nating potential na competitors, is especially in the edtech space. Masyadong maraming edtech startups now. But what we see is that even though may mga local startups, may mga foreign startups na entering the Philippine education industry, iba pa rin kasi yung kapag yung team na nagsosolve ng problems is coming from the education sector also.
Oo.
Katulad namin,
Oo.
around 75% of our team are teachers. So hindi lang kami basta mga developers na nag-introduce ng product sa education sector, but we have experienced the problems ourselves. So we are solving our own problems.
Ay, interviewed na before 'no, pero how long ka nga naging teacher?
Actually, I've been a teacher for more than 10 years. So,
Oh.
14 years.
What is the most challenging thing as a startup founder?
You know what? Maybe I could relate it uh, sa Nexar. So as Nexar kasi, so since it's a marketplace, of course, it's two sides of the coin. First, the company and then the recruiter. Right? So it's a chicken and egg problem. Right? But happy to share naman. So because of our contacts, because of our resources network, we're able to build the the source, right, or the supply. So we have a lot of recruiters right now, and hopefully now we'll be able to provide opportunities. So it's really now connecting companies to our community already of recruiters. So yeah, so challenging talaga to start off with, especially
Yeah.
if you're a marketplace.
Yeah, actually true 'yan 'no, very ano 'no, kaya din mahalaga innovation, eh, kasi madaming chicken and egg problems na ma-solve mo lang if you really introduce, good innovation dun sa industry, dun sa field ano. What is the most challenging thing being a startup founder?
Most challenging thing talaga is handling or managing the things that go in your head
Oh,
about mental health and just like so keeping your mindset positive. That's the most challenging.
interesting answer. What's the most challenging thing as a startup founder?
It's you achieving the business model fit.
Oh, business model fit. Can
Yeah.
you expand a little bit dun?
Uh, of course, we have three levels, right? The problem solution fit, that's very easy, perhaps for researchers like also the university. And then the product market fit, that's the second level. But for the business model fit, meaning you really have a sustainable business model already. You're getting clients not just for one time, big time, but really coming back to you.
Paying clients that can sustain the startup.
Yes.
Okay. What is the most challenging thing being startup founder? What is the most challenging thing? Ano yung pinaka-challenging that you have experienced or na-experience ninyo
Everything.
as a startup founder? Everything.
Everything is challenging. I guess as a startup founder kasi you don't have a boss. So parang it's a double-edged sword, no? You don't have a boss who tells you what to do, but at the same time, you don't have a boss who tells you what to do. So you have to kind of figure it out yourself, and navigate through your startup journey. So you're learning as you go. So I guess that's most challenging part. Pero in the startup scene naman, we're very lucky to have mentors and coaches who share their experience with us kung ano na yung na-experience nila before, yung mga failures nila, so that we don't have to go through that ourselves. So, yeah.
What's the most challenging thing as a startup founder?
The most challenging team as a startup founder is starting out first, building the team and generating the revenue.
One of the most challenging ano namin na problem that we're solving is of course pag nag-deploy ka ng ganitong mga processing devices, hindi mo rin maiwasan that people will be suspicious kasi meron silang ginagawang kalokohan. They will always ask, ano yan? Bakit kailangan ilagay yan? Ganun. And the other challenge, of course, is when you deploy this across the many islands, there's cost to that. So you have to be strategic.
What's the most challenging thing being a startup founder?
Startup is really tough, especially if you're, a founder, because again, creating a business is not easy. You really have to consider a lot, not only on the tech, not only on the marketing, not only on the sales, but you have to consider also the legal and another also to don't have, enough resources to operate your business. That's like the gears, double stress in your daily activities, right? But yeah, those are especially in the Philippines, it's hard to create business, and then it's hard also to connect, to find investors. So that's why what we're doing now with presenters, good things we're able to partner with the likes of Google that provides you credits on your cloud, so that you can continue your business with less budget, and you can just focus on your at least daily allowance, and what to other founders also. So at least you don't have much expenses in terms of ensuring that your platform works. So yeah, but again, it's tough. There's a lot of things need to consider. You don't, if you're a tech founder, you have to consider, you really need to consider the business aspects of it. If you are also, a business or a management founder, you have to consider also your core proposition, especially if you are in tech industry, that you really have to ensure you have people that can, make your at least idea a reality. And then most of the challenge, and I guess really more on how do you sustain your business. There's a lot of ways, but just make sure that you won't starve along the way.